May 22nd, 2022. A little bit on the snow report for today. This late season storm just wreaked havoc here in Golden. The heavy snow broke all sorts of branches around the neighborhood and whatnot. But hey, if there's a little bit of snow up here, there's a lot up in the mountains. And that means we better go run some stuff. Well, we decided to come on up here to Berthoud Pass today. A little bit about Berthoud Pass. For those of you that don't already know, this was one of the original Colorado ski areas. It opened back in 1937 and it closed down around the turn of the century. Couldn't keep up with the mega pass conglomerates. This was once a full-service ski area with a few lifts, a big old lodge, and about 1,300 acres of skiing. Now, since it's closed, it is backcountry once again. That means there's no patrol, no avalanche work. As much as we want to go ski that stuff behind us, we're not going to today because it's a considerable avalanche danger. They consider it a 3 right now. We're not really skiing any avalanche terrain today. We need a skilled partner and a little bit more training myself, but luckily, since this used to be a ski area, there's plenty of mellow terrain, runs that used to be their blues that we can go ahead and have fun on, get some powder turns. Yeah, some nice telly turns. Here we are. We're up here at tree line, just observing the snow a little bit. I can see there's some sharks underneath, and I think the best skiing is going to be below tree line. It's thick. We'll drop down a little bit below the top of the pass. See if someone will pick us up. See if someone will be so kind. Whoa, it's sticky. 11,000 feet might be the threshold today. Haha. Thumbs up. Walked across the highway and now we're skinning up the west side. Different terrain over here. but some wide open, clear-cut runs from when this is a ski area. Good skier compaction, but there is avalanche terrain off to that right side. We're gonna keep it mellow. Did a lap over on the west side. Whoa, sharky. It's a nice glade in here. Getting a little sticky out there. It's about as far down as we want to go. We're almost down to the highway, so we'll go ahead and toss our skins on right here and climb back up to that ridge. Weird crust layer. It melted up and then snow blew back in and it's freezing back in. We're back up here at the east side. I think the snow's holding up a little bit better. The other side got some morning sun. Haha. Oh! Whew. 4 p.m. We're calling it a day. Man, we're tired. We did a lot of skinning today. 4 hikes and hopefully 2 hitchhikes. If no one picks me up here, I'm gonna have to skin back up to the top. But yeah, mark my words. I think I got out here a little late today, but it's not gonna be here forever. I think we're gonna have to try to get out here for dawn patrol tomorrow. We're up here next day. Up here a little bit earlier today. A little bit of flurries coming down right now. Should be pretty good skiing. Figured I'd start with the west side today. That stuff deteriorated once that sun poked out. Looks like it's poking through. Just started. See if we can get some good turns back here in the meadows. Go over and assess the terrain as it rolls. Oh yeah, it's nice and mellow. A little wind affected, but good. Wow, look at that. Now we want to clear this area quickly. Isn't the spot to hang out. Yeah. Berthoud is can definitely say this is a place I would be hanging out if it was still open. I mean, look at that. Shoo! We're up here. It's a part of the old lift. It's the tower foundation. They pour those concretes and then attach the lift towers to them. Ha ha ha. Whoa. We're up here at the Powder Line Run, just off their main face. It's part of the day to switch to mellow terrain. It's about 1 o'clock and that snow's getting wet and heavy. We made a good call coming out here early today, but this will be the last one for today. That was it, folks. Our big storm, May 2022 here, Front Range of Colorado. Poking around the old Berthoud Pass ski area, exploring this place a bit. Could possibly be our last powder of the season. As always, thanks for following along today, fellas, and we'll see you next time. I don't think we're gonna put the skis quite away yet. Maybe we'll try to get out onto A Basin. I'd like to get a day out in June if that's possible. That's the goal this year, so keep tuning in, folks. And as always, thanks for watching Colorado Camera 076. We will catch you next time.